Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Tini. I'm going to share with you how I create this Chic Goddess makeup look. So let's get started. Start by prepping your face with moisturizer first, followed by primer. You will want to make sure that you are actually using a formula that suits your skin type. Next, apply foundation onto your face and blend it out evenly all the way down over and beneath your jawbone and to the neck area. This creates a seamless look and to avoid mismatched color of the face and the neck. Next, apply concealer on areas that you want coverage like your eye bags, hyperpigmentation or acne scars. Before blending it out, you may want to wait for a few seconds for the concealer to get tacky to get a full coverage. Set your face with a translucent powder to areas of the face that tend to crease over time. After applying the powder, you let it bake for about 5 to 10 minutes and then dust off the remaining products for a flawless finish that lasts all day. Brush your eyebrow upwards with an eyebrow soap, then fill it in with an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow deep shadow. Tip for a more natural look: always start from the center of the eyebrow, then blend it out with a spoolie so that the edges and front part of your eyebrow doesn't look so harsh and look drawn. This is optional, but if you want to match your eyebrow with your hair color, you can use an eyebrow color tint mascara. Contour the face with a bronzer and highlighter. This is necessary as it creates depth to make your angles of your face pop more, and it can enhance or hide some facial features to make your face look slimmer. Apply blush to the apple of the cheeks. I am using coral color on her cheek as I am leaning towards a more natural look. By adding blusher, it can make tired skin look more refreshed and it adds a glowy complexion to the whole look. Now, the key highlight of this look is the eye makeup. The wing liner and the cut crease wing liner creates a very chic look. I am using the Games of Thrones limited edition eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. In the palette, you may find a peachy white metallic color called Heart Home, and I am actually using this color from the inner eyelid all the way to the outer crease. Next, apply black shadow from the inner eyelid halfway to the center of the crease. Using a liquid eyeliner, draw wing liner and go over the black shadow crease that you have drawn earlier to redefine the liner and create a wing towards the end. With a black eyeliner, fill in the bottom waterline. Apply some black shadow and blend it out just below the waterline. Use an eyelash curler and curl the upper lashes. Next, measure the false lashes by placing the tapered end of the false lash against your lash line about 1/4 of an inch from the corner of your eye and cut the excess. This is so that the false lashes blends naturally with your actual lashes. Once you're done, glue the false lashes and wait for a few seconds for it to get tacky before sticking it directly above the upper lashes. Apply mascara on the upper eyelashes so that the actual lashes sticks together with the false eyelashes. Don't forget to apply mascara on the lower lashes as well. Finally, outline the lip with a lip liner pencil first to create a bucket lip look, especially if you have a thin or uneven lip. Then fill it in with a matte finish liquid lipstick. Once you're done, finish it off with a setting spray so that the makeup can last longer throughout the whole day. And this is it. This is the finished look. Hope you like this look and thank you so much for watching. Cheers and shout out to my dear model in this video named Pore for collaborating with me. Also, do follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok at makeupbytinisun and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Infinity for more makeup video like this. Take care and stay safe everyone!